Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. I'm your sister from Cameroon. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, feel free to subscribe, share my content, leave your opinion in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the products I am reviewing on this channel. In today's video, I want to talk about hair mayonnaise. Hair mayonnaise. You want to keep beautiful hair without spending money? You want to have long, black, thick hair without spending money? This is the product for you. This product is very cheap. It's so affordable. This is your hair mayonnaise. What it does is that it helps to treat your hair. Let me first of all read to you what it's made of. It is rich with natural botanical herbal extra, vitamin, egg, protein, olive to condition, moisturize and straighten damaged or over processed hair. That your hair that you over product it until the hair is bad. This is a repair for you. You know, sometimes as women, our hair, the front part of our hair is no longer growing, and then sometimes your hair grow but it's so scanty, it's not thick, and there are really nice hairstyles that you want to do and you can't do them. Or if you're keeping natural hair, this is a product for you. It helps to grow your hair like magic. It also helps to strengthen the size of your hair. Like if you comb your hair, you realize it didn't cut a lot. Like there is a normal or quantity of hair that is supposed to cut whenever you comb your hair, but if it is unusual, you will know it. So you need this product to be able to treat your hair with it. So what you do is that you can take it to your hair salon. Let me open it and show you all what it looks like. This is what it looks like. You can take it to your hair salon. It's very thick. It contains egg, so you take it there, and it's an organic product made with organic herbs. You take it to your hair salon. You are going to put it on your hair, and then you enter a dryer for let's say 3 to 5 minutes, and then when you come out from a dryer, they are going to rinse all your hair. Or if you don't want to use a dryer, you can always use a plastic bag on your hair, and then it should be a little bit warm for some time. After that, you rinse your hair, you comb it, and then you style it as you want. It is going to give a beautiful hair texture, make your hair to be very dark, and also grow your hair. The presence of egg here, it contains vitamin E, and it contains protein, which is going to straighten your hair and makes your hair stronger. Vitamin E helps to smoothen the scar of your hair, and vitamin C helps to open your pores. So this product contains those vitamins in it, which is going to nourish your hair, smooth your hair, and make your hair look very shiny and very greasy. So if you have a problem with your hair, you always have damaged hair, I recommend you use this product 100%. So thank you so much for watching this product. So if you have used this product before, or you know about this product, or you don't know about this product, let me know in the comment section and I'll best explain it to you. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.